Hi, I'm Waco criminal defense attorney Walter Reeves, and today I want to talk about what happens after a conviction. If you're a hunter or you own guns, one of the main questions you have if charged with the crime is what impact a conviction is going to have on my ability to possess weapons. And the answer depends on the type of case. If you have a felony charge, you're generally not going to be able to possess a weapon once your case is final. And it makes no difference whether you're placed on deferred adjudication or probation. In most places, one of the conditions of probation is that you not own or possess a weapon. So long as you're on probation, you would be in violation if you had a gun or were in possession of a firearm. What happens after you complete probation depends on whether you were on regular probation or whether you were on deferred adjudication. If you were on regular probation, you have a final conviction, and any conviction is going to prevent you from owning and possessing a firearm. If you were on deferred adjudication and successfully completed it, your case would have been dismissed, and so you don't have a final conviction, and that means you aren't going to have any restrictions. For misdemeanors, the rules are different. Generally, no matter what happens with your misdemeanor case, you're not going to be prevented from owning or possessing a firearm. Even if you were sentenced to jail, you're still in the clear. There is one big exception, though, and that is for any offense that involves domestic violence. And that includes any type of assault that contains a finding of domestic violence. If owning and possessing firearms is important to you, you need to make sure you know what you can and can't do before you go to court. An experienced criminal attorney can explain that to you and help you make an informed decision. If you like this video and found it helpful, please share it with your friends and family. And if you or a loved one needs help with the criminal matter, please give us a call.